Marvelous, you said you are a mathematician. That you are very good in mathematics. Yes, Popsy. Just ask me any math question on one side fast. Okay. The question is, Emeka and Amadioha share 20 pieces of yam in the ratio of 4:3, respectively. Calculate Amadioha's share. Ah, that one is not math, oh. That one is not mathematics. It is. It's a word problem in ratio. No wonder. It's a word problem. It's never Nigeria problem.
You be
Word
mumu.
problem. We'll never solve Nigeria problem finish. They bring word problem.
Exactly.
Popsy. You never even see normal individual personal problem. Ask me.
What type of
It's
plane
word
is
problem. You're
this?
not asking me. Popsy. Don't ask me all this Nigeria problem or word problem. Ask me normal math question.
Continue.
Like 2 times 2, 5 times 5, 5 times 2 plus 3, divided by 2, all those kind of questions.
Exactly.
Like now, 2 times 1 is 3, 2 times 2 is 2, 2 times 3 is 5, 2 times 4 is 6,
What?
plus 8 plus 2 is 82,
Hey!
5 plus 2 is 52, 5 plus 3 is 53, 60 plus 3 is 603.
Not be juju be that.
60 plus 3 is 603. Yes, now.
Child.
Popsy, shock you as I'm getting it fast, Abi. It shocked me. It shocked me.
Exactly.
Make I call your principal, say don't big father school.
Oh, no.
What type of plane is this?
You gonna explain tire.
Hello, principal. This is Marvelous' father. That school fees I sent to you this morning, that's Marvelous school fees. Send it to me back. Return the money, return the money.
But sir, why?
Marvelous don't pick another profession, you no one go school again.
They have left.
Sir, what profession?
Now mechanic,
She
because
what?
go join of this workshop now they learn work.
But sir, you can still come to school, go to the university and study mechanical engineering instead.
Now you're picking, Now even papa. A person who know 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3 at the age of 18. Now I want to study mechanical engineering.
There is God.
I better return the money, make I go register for workshop. But even himself, no. They no born with me talk him, go collect.
Photo.
Mechanic in town.
Sorry, yo.